Well, my name is Liz Tilley, and I'm a landscape designer in the Bay Area. My designs are rooted in the aesthetics of modernism and the ethics and practice of permaculture. I like to allow the local environment and local ecosystems and conditions on the ground to inform my design. I worked for 3 years for Mariposa Gardening and Design as their designer, and I got to work with them designing and building the gardens that they do for the San Francisco Flower and Garden Show, which was super fun. And then I started my own company, Tilley Designs, here in the Bay Area in 2010. My husband, Pete, is an arborist. We're raising our baby here in Oakland, and we love it so much. We really enjoy living in the East Bay. I go through a many stage process to arrive at a design. It all starts out with a meeting. Then I do a site analysis. And then I do a bunch of bubble diagrams where I break up the space by all of the desired uses and then just arrange them in as many ways as possible. I like to present each client usually with 3 rough alternatives. The rough alternatives show different possible ways for how the garden might look and be organized. And then they look at the alternatives and pick through what they like. And, sometimes it's like that one, I want that one. Sometimes it's, I like that about that one and that about that one. And can this be over here instead of over here? And there's some sort of synthesis that needs to happen. The next step is I make a plant lineup. Then I rough out the plant massings. Then I create a couple of color and texture studies. At that point, I have enough information to actually be able to create a definitive planting plan. And that drawing is one of the most important drawings that I make in terms of that's what the contractor is going to be using to install the garden. I also will do 3D modeling. After that, I draw up the final conceptual garden plan, and that is the really pretty drawing that articulates the spirit of the design. Then at the final meeting, I present everything, the finalized plant list and the final drawings. I see the process of arriving at a really good garden design as a collaboration between my clients and myself.